Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. As I mentioned in my previous two videos of this series, I'm doing the Y6B. So my series on articulated engines is part 3 right now. So I'm in part 3 right now of my series, and this is the third engine. So I'm going to do a quick review of the Norfolk and Western Class Y6Bs, which was a class of two 882 Malays. So, what a Malay is an articulated engine. It was invented by a French engineer. His last name was Malay. These particular locomotives were built between 1948 and 1952 for the Norfolk and Western Railway. It was known as the workhorse of the Norfolk and Western Railway and the epitome of the compound Malay development design. They were an improvement of the previous Y6A class. So this is an improvement. This particular one here is a Broadway Limited Imports cab number 2199. The previous one I did was unlettered, and it was a newer version of the Broadway model. This is an older one. This one is much older than the one that I did in my last video. So I'm going to do the startup again. Let's see if there's any difference between this one and the other one. So here's the startup. Let's try the whistle. The bell. Okay, let's get the lights on. Let's get it moving now slowly. I haven't used this one in a long time, so I think it's actually, in terms of smoke fluid, is dry. But the smoke generator looks pretty good on it. Yeah, I can tell that it needs some more smoke fluid. I'm going to back it up so you can see the reverse light, as I always do. Just gonna stop it here for a second and put a couple drops, 1 or 2 drops of smoke fluid in. Okay. Now hopefully I don't have to blow down the stack. And I do. Okay, yep. 1 second. Okay, here we go. Just had to clear an air bubble there. Like I said, these engines were real workhorses. This is speed step. I'm going to go up to speed step 18. And then quarter speed, like around 31. And half speed. Up to 63 right now. That's half speed. It runs great, actually. Nice sound. When the Norfolk and Western Railway stopped their or ceased their main line operations in 1959. 50 of the Y6s were still running out serviceable miles in the coal fields, waiting for the final order of the diesels to replace them. That's pretty sad. The last of the Class Ys were retired in the summer of 1960. I think I have to give the... Oh, yeah, I have to add some more smoke fluid. I don't think I put enough, so I'm going to stop it here. I'm going to add some more. Okay, let's go forward a bit. Again, I need to give the smokestack another blow. Hopefully that, there we go, that cleared it up. Now, oh, that's much better now. There we go. Pardon me, that's much better. Let's go to full speed. And we'll slow it down as it comes around the corner. I actually like these engines more than the big boys. And probably the next video I'll do is maybe the big boy or a T1. I might do a T1 444. Actually, I'll do a T1 444, and then I'll do a big boy. It's 22 speed step. Put it in reverse. Oh, there we go. Now I'm going to put it in forward. Let me clear the stock again. There we go. There we go. Let's go to full speed. I'm spending more time on this video because this is actually my favorite engine. Like I said, I even like it better than the big boy. I'm going to bring it over here. Nice and slow. And then I'm going to do shutdown sequence. Actually, one more time around. Not sure if you can hear that. That's the horn. And I'm going to slow it down. And we'll stop it here. Now I'll do the shutdown sequence. F9 again. That's beautiful. Okay, thank you for watching. Please subscribe, and please don't forget to select the notifications button so you can be notified of my next videos on the articulated engines and some other engines that I'm going to be doing. Okay, thank you very much.